For this demonstration, we're going to open up the Windows PowerShell 64-bit console as an administrator, and we'll see how to configure the font and layout properties of the console host. But first, some background on the ISE. The ISE is a graphical host application that allows you to read, write, debug, and test scripts in a fully graphical environment. The ISE provides a script editor, an interactive console, debugging functionality, and tools that help you to learn and discover new Windows PowerShell commands. Like the console application, you can customize the ISE to let you work in a way that suits your individual preferences. So let's go ahead and get started. Down here in the taskbar, I'm going to right-click the Windows PowerShell taskbar icon and select Run ISE as Administrator. You may remember that in a previous demonstration, I went ahead and I pinned the console application and the ISE to the taskbar, and this was for ease of access. Now, using these three buttons up here in the ISE toolbar, I can change the layout of the panes from one above the other to side by side, and then back to the single pane view. Now, using this arrow up here in the upper right hand corner of the pane, I can display or hide the script pane, toggling between the script and the console. I can also use either of these two toolbar buttons to show or hide the docked command panes. And these panes can be docked or floating, and it's really just a matter of preference. The command pane also lets you search for commands, browse the available commands, and fill in parameters for a command that you select. And you'll more than likely find this helpful or useful as you learn more about the individual PowerShell commandlets as you progress through this course. Now, I can use this slider down here in the lower right-hand corner of the window, and with this I can adjust the font size in the console and in the script panes. But if I want to control more than just the font size, I can go up here to the Tools and Options menu, where I can make changes to the other elements such as the string values or the keywords, and I can even create some custom themes for different scenarios. You can also group a collection of fonts and color sections as a theme, and this allows you to further customize the tool's visual appearance. Now I'll go ahead and I'll click on this Manage Themes button, and I'll choose Presentation as my custom theme. It's worth noting that the ISE supports many visual themes, and with built-in themes, this gives you the option to also create custom themes. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and restore the ISE to its previous settings, and I'll do that by clicking the Restore Defaults button. So in summary, the ISE includes debugging capabilities, an interactive console, and several tools for discovering new Windows PowerShell commands. We'll cover some of the more advanced ISE functionality later in this course, but for now, this is to serve as a simple walkthrough to help you gain familiarity with the basic user interface features.